Hi everyone, in this video we learn how to find the equation of a tangent to a curve using differentiation. And for that we're going to work through the example that we have here. We need to find the tangent to the curve whose equation is y equals to x squared plus 4 at the point along its length with x-coordinate x equals to 1. To do this we're going to follow three steps. The first step, step 1, is to find the tangent's gradient or slope at the point at which x equals to 1. So I'll just go ahead and write find gradient or slope. So I'll just say gradient slash slope. And to do that, the important thing to remember is that the gradient of the tangent to a curve at any point along its length is equal to the value of the derivative at that point. So starting from y equals to x squared plus 4, the first thing we need to do here is differentiate this. And using the power rule to differentiate this function, we quickly find that the derivative, dy dx, is equal to 2x. And now that we have the derivative, we evaluate it at the point of interest. So in this case, that's the point whose x-coordinate is equal to 1. So I do that here, dy dx, when x equals to 1, equals to 2 times 1, which is just equal to 2. And that's the gradient. And just to be clear, I'll go ahead and call that gradient m, and it's equal to 2. Done. Alright, now that we have the gradient, we move on to step 2. And in this step, we need to find the y-coordinate of the point through which the tangent passes. So I'll just go ahead and write y-coordinate, there we go. Now, since we know that the x-coordinate of the point is equal to 1, all we have to do to find the y-coordinate is plug 1 inside our function's equation. So let's go ahead, starting from y equals to x squared plus 4, when x equals to 1, y will be equal to 1 squared plus 4. In other words, y is equal to 5. And that's the y-coordinate. So at this stage we know that the tangent's gradient is 2, and that it passes through the point whose x-coordinate is 1 and whose y-coordinate is 5. And in fact, I'll go ahead and write at the point 1, 5. There we go. We now move on to the third and final step, in which we actually find the tangent's equation. And for that, I like to use the following line equation. Y minus b equals to m times x minus a, where b is the y-coordinate of the point through which the tangent passes. So I'll just say y-coord, as in y-coordinate, and a is the x-coordinate of the point. So I'll just go ahead and write x-coord. And of course, m is the gradient or slope of the tangent that we found in step 1. So using the fact that the y-coordinate is 5, that the x-coordinate is 1, and that the gradient is 2, this quickly leads to y minus 5 equals to 2 times x minus 1. And that leads us to y minus 5 equals to 2x minus 2. And now rearranging that, that's y equals to 2x minus 2 plus 5, and finally y equals to 2x plus 3. And that's the final answer. We've just found the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point 1, 5. And of course, if we wanted to, we could quickly sketch it. So I'd have my x and y grids looking something like this, x and y. The function we're dealing with here is a parabola, and it would look something like this. There we go. And it cuts the y-axis at 4. And the point with coordinates 1, 5, well, that's roughly here. We'll have 1 there. And say we have 5 roughly there. And so the point is this point on the curve. And the tangent would look something like this. And there we have it. That's y equals to 2x plus 3. And there we go. Those are the three steps we can follow to find the equation of a tangent to a curve using differentiation. And that's it for this tutorial.